Hey y'all, this is Pitty Boo, aka Dana. This is just what we've got in the last week. Because I used that water last week out of that bucket, and it's about full again. Here's my girls. This yard is a mess. The dog keeps dragging everything up. There's Rob. There's Rob. As you can tell, we've got a lot more of this mess. Just keeps getting worse and worse. But what I wanted to show y'all, and my voice goes in and out, I'm sorry. But what I wanted to show y'all was how little the waste is on the hay feeder I made, and I'll show you why. That's not very much at all. But I lined the hay feeder with that horse wire, and they get the they just pull the hay out of there. But if you look, there's not really much waste. So I'm actually proud of myself. What are you doing? What you wanting, Rob? You wanting a handout? And I'm slogging up. I'm in my tennis shoes too. I wasn't smart enough to wear my rain boots out here. Yeah. Oh, what else was I gonna show y'all? I don't remember. The rain. How I lined the, what do you call it up? Or lined it to make it less waste. I don't remember. So I guess I had one of them there brain fart. So I guess I'll call it a day. This ain't gonna be a very long video. I hope y'all are having a blessed week. Remember y'all, the world's a better place because y'all are in it. Please don't ever forget it. And I do love y'all, each and every one. Y'all take care. Bye. Well, can you see what we're getting again? 2 more days of this crap, supposedly this week. See if you can see where the creek's starting to come out. Oops. I'll take y'all to the front yard. So sick of this. The dog keeps dragging stuff up. Terrible.